Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see Snapchat story without being seen. So let me show you the steps you can follow, or let me show you the information if you can do that or not. So as you can see, in Snapchat, you can directly see a Snapchat story without opening it, as Snapchat is designed to be viewed sequentially. So Snapchat stories are to be viewed in linear fashion with each snap appearing one after another. And while you can see a circular preview of a friend story next to their name on the chat screen, you need to tap it to actually view the content. There's no built-in feature to peek at a story without opening it. And if you want to avoid seeing a specific friend stories, you can mute them from appearing in your story list. To do this, swipe right from the camera screen, go to the chat screen and press and hold on a friend's name and tap story settings and then toggle on mute story. And yeah, this is how you know that Snapchat story can't be seen without being seen. So yeah, this is the information we needed to share with you. Hope this video helps, and if you have any questions, just comment it down below and we'll get to you.